If you are a fan of Logan Paul Hairstyle, then you clicked on the right video. Logan Paul began his YouTube career 7 years ago. He started by posting Vine videos. As a result, his celebrity soared. When he launched accounts on a variety of social media platforms, his supporters were overjoyed. His lovers and others have begun to share his videos because he has numerous platforms and shares footage. Paul's talent blossomed as a result of his ability to make engaging and entertaining videos. Logan, for example, wrote a comedy film screenplay. He had roles in films including Airplane Mode and Valley Girl. Logan Paul is a pro boxer, actor, and YouTuber in addition to being a professional boxer. As a result of his talent, Paul has won and been nominated for awards. He's been dubbed a comic web sensation, a YouTuber, and has received various accolades. Maybe you didn't notice, but Logan Paul's hairdo is one of a kind, and everyone adores it. Before we go into Logan Paul's haircuts, allow me to demonstrate how to grow hair so that you can achieve whatever hairdo you like. These hair care procedures are more effective than others. Antioxidants, which are more helpful in preventing premature hair breakage than increasing hair length and density, such as regular hair washes and conditioning, will result in faster hair development. You should eat a well-balanced, fruit and vegetable-rich diet, according to the experts. Sugary meals and beverages should be consumed in moderation. Also, a range of vitamins and minerals have been linked to healthy hair. A diverse range of vitamins and nutrients are required for hair development. It may be challenging to receive these vitamins and nutrients alone through eating. Another important factor to have a look like Logan Paul, you need to keep in mind that his hairstyle can only be done with curly hair texture. But don't worry if you don't have natural curly hair texture, as you can always curl your hair with different methods. You can buy a curling wand, or you can try different heatless curling tricks. But remember, styling is always done after you get the haircut. If your diet is lacking in specific nutrients, supplements may help, but talk to your doctor first. So this was all about the maintenance of your hair health and the best tips in that regard. Now we will jump to the main part of the video, which is hairstyle ideas by Logan Paul, and how you can get them. But before starting that guide, let me remind you to click on the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share. Logan Paul's haircuts are well known because to his hilarious videos. He has adopted a variety of hairstyles, as evidenced by his videos. However, he was most famous for the following hairstyles. Disconnected haircut. A disconnected haircut is one in which sections of your hair are purposefully chopped shorter or kept longer. Logan Paul's hairdo looks terrific with a detached undercut that has been modified. He may appear sexier and more mature if his hair were to fall back from his face. This hairstyle gets its name from the fact that the hair on the top of the head is separated from the hair on the sides. As a result, the transition from longer top hair to quick growth on the edges isn't as smooth as it could be. For example, the disparity between long and short hair is obvious. The disconnected undercut is great for males who want to look young at all times. It strikes the right blend of confidence and refinement when it comes to the haircut. Logan Paul's hairstyle is messy, which he prefers. A messy hairdo is ideal for days when you want to appear comfortable but not too laid back. So this was all about Logan Paul hairstyle, and some secrets behind his great hair health. If you have any questions in mind, feel free to ask them in the comment section. Hope you enjoyed the video.